Today we shall read lesson 5 of your literature book, An Uncomfortable Bed. Children, An Uncomfortable Bed is a short story written by a renowned French writer, Guy de Maupassant. Guy de Maupassant wrote this story in the year 1883. This story is set at a chateau in the French countryside. Chateau is a large mansion or an impressive countryside house. So, let's start reading from the book. One autumn, I went to stay for hunting season with some friends in a chateau in Picardy. The narrator of the story, the writer of the story, he goes to stay with some of his friends in a chateau. बड़े से घर में जाता है जो कि कंट्री साइड, फ्रेंच कंट्री साइड जिसका नाम पिकार्डी है, वहां पे वाई ही गोज फॉर हंटिंग. What type of friends he was having? His friends were fond of practical joking, as all my friends are. His friends are very much fond of practical joking. They keep on playing pranks on someone or on each other. They are fond of playing tricks. They are very lively type of persons. They are always joking. They are jokesters. And I do not care to know any other sort of people. Means मुझे दूसरे लोग पसंद भी नहीं है, सिर्फ अपने फ्रेंड जैसे ही पसंद है. Other type of people he doesn't like. He does not like dull type of people. Those who are not lively like his friends. तो when I arrived, शैटो में जब वो आता है, पिकार्डी में उस घर में जब आता है, they gave me a princely reception. My friends gave me royal reception. Regal reception they give me. Very warm type of reception he receives, which at once aroused distrust in my breast. उसको suspicion हो जाता है कि ये दोस्त कोई ना कोई चाल आज मेरे ऊपर चलने वाले हैं. इतना जो आज मेरे को इतना प्रिंसली रिसेप्शन दे रहे हैं तो कोई ना कोई इसमें चाल है. आई सेड टू माई सेल्फ, मैंने अपने मन में ही अपने आप को बोला, लुक आउट ओल्ड फेरेट. अब फेरेट इज ए स्मॉल कैट टाइप एनिमल. अपने आप को उसने फेरेट के साथ कंपेयर किया. ओए फेरेट, लुक आउट, ध्यान रखना. दे हैव समथिंग इन प्रेपरेशन फॉर यू. कोई ना कोई तेरे लिए चाल आज चला के रखी है, प्रिपेयर करके रखी है. तो इट मीन्स in fact on the arrival of the narrator we discover that he is immediately distrustful of his friends' welcome. According to him, his friends are definitely up to something. They are about to play a prank or a practical joke on him at any moment. वो जी सोचता है. ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा भाई. During the dinner, the mirth was excessive. जो laughter था, जो उनका इतना हंसी थी, वो भी बहुत exaggerated और बहुत ज़्यादा थी. ज़्यादा हंस रहे थे, far too great. ज़्यादा हंस रहे थे, unusual सा behavior था उनका. So, narrator सोचता है कि आज मेरे पे कसेंगे कोई prank. Assuredly, I am to be the victim of the joke. वो सोचता है कि he will be the victim of the joke. They will make fun at my expense. So attention, be attentive. I have to be very watchful and very careful. So during the entire evening, everyone laughed in a exaggerated fashion. I was watchful, restless. I did not let a word or meaning or a gesture escape me. जो भी वो कर रहे थे, मैंने कोई हर चीज ध्यान से वॉच किया. Everyone seemed to me an object of suspicion. I was thinking कि everyone is going to play a prank on me, going to have a trick on me. They will make fun at my expense. तो मैंने बहुत ध्यान रखा. He was watchful, observant all the time. I even looked distrustfully at the faces of the servants. According to him, his friends are definitely up to something. You have known this thing. So no incident of any type happens, and it does not stop the narrator from observing his friends very closely. You have read that he is very watchful of them. He is watching every word they speak or utter and every meaning of those words. In fact, he looked at suspicion even at the servants of that residence. उनको भी बड़े ध्यान से वो देखता है. So, children, now comes the hour to go to bed. अब हो जाती है night. They have to go to the bed. And the whole household came to escort me to my room. The whole house, all the friends came to guide me to my room. सारे मेरे रूम तक आ जाते हैं. उन सारे उसको गुड नाइट बोलते हैं. It means क्या है? You see कि लास्ट में क्या है? The hour for bed time arrives and each friend prepares to retire for the evening. The narrator is excessively watchful. He is already in his room. So what happens? He hears laughter and whispering in the corridor. He is hearing the whispering in the hall. Surely now the practical joke is close to happen, he thinks. So he is very careful. What he does, वो चारों तरफ रूम में देखता है. क्या the whole room he spies, furniture, walls, ceiling, hangings, floor, everything he observes very closely. So my candle may suddenly go out and leave me in darkness. Then he is suspicious कि एक कैंडल कमरे में जल रही है तो if it goes out then there will be darkness. Then तो they will definitely play a prank. अंधेरे में तो मुझे पता ही नहीं चलेगा उनके prank का. So वो जाकर mental piece से lighted all the wax candles that were on it. He lights all the candles. सारी ही कैंडल जला देता है. And इंस्पेक्टेड एवरी आर्टिकल. इसने कुछ नहीं इसको मिला, नथिंग. फिर भी इसने एक आर्टिकल को इंस्पेक्ट किया, वन आफ्टर द अदर, स्टिल नथिंग. I went to the window. Shutters, large wooden shutters, were open. I shut them with great care and drew the curtains. Curtains भी कर दिए, windows के shutters भी लगा दिए, room को tight कर दिया. No one should enter or throw something. Enormous velvet curtains जो थे वो सारे इसने spread कर दिए and placed a chair in front of them. For more cautious, he just put a big chair, armchair in front of the curtains, so as to have nothing to fear from outside. Children, till now you read and you will understand. I'll be sending you some fill-ups. You have to fill those yourself after reading and listening to the video. Thank you, children.